It's harvest time in southern Ontario. Cherries are usually ready to harvest in July. There are many different varieties of cherries. These are sour or tart cherries that are grown to be processed. They turn bright red when they're ripe. Peaches are orange-yellow when they're ripe, usually around late July. Pears are ready for harvest in August and September. They can be yellow or green, depending on the variety. Sour cherries are harvested by using a machine that shakes the tree to make the cherries fall off. The machine is used very carefully to make sure that the tree isn't harmed while the cherries are being harvested. The cherries fall onto a conveyor belt that drops them into a plastic bin that's filled with ice water. The water keeps the cherries cool before they go to be processed. When the bins are filled, they're moved from the orchard to the processing plant. Peaches must be picked by hand because all the peaches on a tree don't ripen at the same time. When the workers pick the peaches, they select the ripest, most mature fruit. It takes a lot of people to harvest all the fruit. Farmers often hire workers from other countries through a government-sponsored program. Some workers have been coming to the same farm for many years. Each tree will be picked about 4 times until its fruit is harvested. Peaches that are grown to be eaten fresh are quite delicate and are collected in small baskets. But these peaches are grown to be processed, and the pickers empty their baskets into large plastic bins. When the bins are full, they're moved to the processing plant. As you'll see in the next video, the processing plant is a hive of activity as peaches and cherries go through the paces to get them ready for market.